Hello, kids! Can you guess the correct shape of Peppa Pig and her family members? But before we begin, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Kids, can you figure out which Peppa Pig character this is?
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
Kids, does this look like the right matching shape? This doesn't look like a match at all. Is this the shape that fits correctly, children? This is clearly not matching. Kids, do you think this shape is the right match? This is definitely not a match. Kids, watch closely. Does this shape match? Hooray! You got the right matching shape. You're so smart.
Peppa and George are playing in the garden.
To me, George! You threw the ball too hard, George. So the rules say I win. Now it's my turn. I win again!
Can you spot which Peppa Pig character this is, kids?
Peppa Pig.
Tell me, kids, does this shape fit? This one clearly doesn't fit the shape. What's your guess, kids? Is this the correct shape? This is definitely not the correct shape. Does this look like the correct matching shape to you? Fantastic! This shape is correct. You're very sharp.
George, I need some help. I'm making chocolate chip cookies. Someone needs to lick out the bowl.
George likes helping Mummy make cookies.
Kids, can you tell who this Peppa Pig character is?
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
Is this the shape that matches, kids? This one is not the right match. Kids, do you think this is the shape we need? Awesome! You matched the right shape. You're so bright.
Stand back. Ready, steady, go! Whee! Look at me! I'm flying like a bird. Oh, I can't get out.
Peppa is stuck in the tyre.
It's not funny.
Oh dear, kids! Peppa Pig needs her shadow back. Can you help her?
Peppa Pig.
Well done! This is the right match. You're super smart.
Hello, Susie. Hello, Peppa.
Susie Sheep has come to play with Peppa. Peppa loves Susie. Susie loves Peppa. They are best friends.